So today we're going to make soup. I think this might blow up, and you're correct. There it is. So, first ingredient.
Onions.
Onions.
So what's your first ingredient?
Right there.
Over there.
Can you get it, please?
Sure.
Assistant ma'am.
How many onions do you need?
One.
Just one onion today?
Chop an onion.
Okay. And what are we going to do with the onions? Are we going to saute the onions?
No.
Are you going to put them in the pot?
Yes. Get the jit out of the way.
Okay. Is there a vegetable that I can get you in the meantime?
Some carrots.
How many carrots?
Just two.
Just two? Do the pieces need to get cut up really small, or can they be a little chunky because you're going to blend this soup?
They can be a little chunky.
Would you like me to chop these carrots, or are you chopping them, sir? You'd like Mom to do it? Is there another vegetable that you would like me to get while you're doing that?
Celery.
Lots of celery. Okay. Can I go get it from the garden?
Sure.
Come on, piece of celery.
You ready? Sure.
What other vegetables are you putting in your soup, August?
Tomato.
Tomatoes? Okay. All those little green stems should come off your tomatoes. Well, you can just put them right into the pot if they don't have stems on them. Well,
It's like a marble run. But instead of a marble, it's a tomato.
yeah, you can't see it on the camera. Lock it in there. Okay. Are you going to put it in the pot? Okay, so what's that?
Vegetable broth cubes look like. And you just know.
This is our pot of vegetables. Lots of vegetables. And what do we need to do, August?
Boil the water. Alright. Now that everything's cooking, now it's time to add some flavor. Salt and pepper. They're hard to push.
Yeah, so that means that they need to cook longer. Okay, so turn the heat back up on the stove.
So now that all the vegetables are soft, now we can blend them. Where are my headphones? It's gonna be loud.
That's a good warning.
So you might want to turn down the sound.
Do you want to add a bit of milk to it?
Sure. Well, that's enough.
Do you want me to pour it in, or you got it? Oh.
And that's how you make my soup. Thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe.